Hello everybody, my name is Harmik Makese of Network Tech Academy. Today I'm gonna show you how to download the Microsoft Office for free and you will not pay any charge, and the application will be for the lifetime. The first thing to do is to open your browser, and from the browser you have to type Office deployment you have to type Office deployment tools, and from here you have to download. Okay, the file is downloaded. Then we have to download another file. The second file that we have to download is Office customization tools. Office customization tools. Just click here. Just wait. You have to choose. If your computer is 32-bit, you have to take 32-bit. If it is 64-bit, you have to take 64-bit. And Office suite, which one you want? You have to choose this one, Office Professional Plus 2019 volume license. You have to click on it, get down. Next, which language? Like me, I'm gonna choose English because I'm living in US. You have to choose the language that you feel comfortable. Here I'm gonna choose English, United States, because I'm living here. Then go to next. From the next, you have to go to next again. Here you have to click on next. Next. General. Next. Finish. Then from here you have to go to export. You have to choose keep current setting. Then go to OK. Select I accept the term in the license agreement. Then export. Okay, now let us go to the download file. Let us go to the download file to see if the file is downloaded. Okay, here we have two files. The first one is configuration, the second is deploy. Don't pay attention to this file. Let me remove it from here. Okay, now I have to create a folder. The folder name will be Office 2019, and I have to copy these two files, then paste it to the folder. Okay, now from the folder I have to go to Office deployment tool. From here I have to run it as administrator. From administrator to go to yes. From yes I have to accept the license conditions. Now I have to extract this file to the folder that I have created. Let me go to my PC, download Office. I extract this file here successfully. Okay, the second step is I'm gonna copy this file, then go to paste go to paste it to disk C. I paste it here. Okay, good. Now the second step is to go to CMD, but here I'm gonna run the CMD as administrator. The CMD, I have two commands I have to type here. The first one gonna be cdc Office 2019. This is the name of the file. You can also put 21. Then from this file, I'm gonna type setup.x space / configure space configuration .xml. From here, the Microsoft is going to be installed in the computer. Let us wait. It's gonna take a little bit time. Then after that, you can use your Microsoft Office easily without any problem. Let us wait. Okay, now let us going to verify if the Office is installed. Word, let me open it. It is under the process. Okay, this is Word. Or let us take PowerPoint. No problem, we can take PowerPoint. Okay, the Office is ready. You can use it according to your need. Enjoy your time with Office. See you in the next video. Bye.